Good morning, all my friends. I am BU3OBR, Oscar Bravo Romeo, handle Saro from southern part of India, Tamil Nadu. I thank Pune Amateur Radio Club for the opportunity to join with you on this Sunday for the fantastic satellite ESL2 QO-100 DATV. So I thank Pune Amateur Radio Club VU2 RCP, and I thank Mr. Vilas for conducting me and started this DATV Tech Talk. And also I thank all friends who watching the live. Now I am going to start my presentation here. This is web-based presentation because live demo also in there in the presentation. It is possible when you are seeing the equipments with your eyes, then only you can believe this. Because all the equipments designed and made by me. I am using the DATV on QO-100. I am happy to say I am the first one from India started digital amateur television via QO-100. Now there is the net also conducting every week and Sunday evening 6:30 p.m. our Indian time. There is the net, worldwide DATV net. I am the net controller, and also there is many people joining the net and giving lot of demos and R&Ds. They are sharing every week. So this is the happening here, and with the DATV you can chat with the people's live video, not like YouTube. Just you can make one-to-one QoS also, in group QoS also. This is the specialty about digital amateur television. Already people know about slow scan TV. That is one way. This is we can make duplex QoS via the QO-100. So I am going to start my technical session now. So this is the presentation. I taken all the things from the websites. All the reference will be available on the description area below the video. So you can check all the links. So I am going to start now. So this is the satellite QO-100, Qatar Oscar 100 on the sky. First of all, I say my thanks to Qatar Amateur Radio Society and AMSA DL for the coordination of the satellite, and because of that AMSA DL and Qatar Amateur Radio Society, we are hams are now enjoying the satellite now. So this is the band plan according to the satellite. The satellite having two transponder for hams, one for SSB, another one for DATV. Today I am not going to discuss about the SSB area because there is no time. So we are straight away moving to DATV, because many people are now using the narrow band across to India. So maybe everyone knows about it, what is the SSB QoS on the Qatar Oscar 100. If needed, I will give next my session, I will give the SSB also. So now I am going to share with you on the DATV part. So this is the satellite transponder. One is in the horizontal, one is in the vertical. The vertical polarization using for narrow band, that is SSP. The horizontal position we are using for the DATV. So there is two position on the same transponder. So you people maybe you know what is the vertical and horizontal and the LNB. So vertical we need a 12 volt supply on the bias T to receive the narrow band, and horizontal we have to use 18 volt for the LNB to receive the wideband DATV. So I am going to give a brief demo now. This is the satellite details. So don't worry about it, all the details, website details already shared you there in the description. So now I am moving to elaborate view. All the things just you can study later on, because there is many details I can't share you within this time limit. So just I am showing the websites and details here. So this is the wideband transponder usage and what is the content we have to play and how to use the DATV. So there is the restrictions is there. We can't play copyrighted videos and copyrighted audios. So they are already clearly mentioned what is the video you have to share. So this is the band plan for the DATV. The yellow is the pecan, and other blue lines are our usage. So red, it is the marked area, we can't use that. So this is the details frequency chart where we have to use, and the guidelines, and also the website you can monitor the wideband transmission. This is online web SDR spectrum view for the DATV, and right side that is the chat window. You can register yourself there. It is for the chatting. So you can ping the peoples here, and you can make a sked and having QSO like this. You have to chat with the wideband users. So this is very easy to communicate with the peoples and making sked, and we are sharing the reports. So always we have to open this website before start our transmission, how to watch the entire spectrum where it is free. The pecan always 24 hours 365 days it's playing there. So in the left side the green one, and another place there is nobody right now on the band, it is free. So we can choose any of frequency and transmit our test and videos. So this is the spectrum view of the DATV website, and the top is the smaller lines or narrow band, and mid is the wide, and the top 3 is the bottom 3 is more wide wide band. So like this, if we touch the lines, we can get the TX and the RX frequencies, which frequency we have to TX and where it is your RX. Like that we can get the details when we press the channels. So this is the wideband spectrum monitor in the view, This all you can see in the website, the DATV wideband spectrum view. So next I am going to share all the other details of the wideband transponder, how it's working. So this is the spectrum view. So next we are going to move on the RX part, how it is happening. So this is the website called British Amateur Television Club website. They are providing the hardware because it is for amateur. There is no commercial products are available in the market. So they are the amateur British Amateur Television Club are providing the hardware for registered members. So I am already registered in the BATC club, so I will get the PCB and other components here and assembling my RX setup. So this is the motherboard for the mini tuner RX hardware, DATV receivers. So in the website, this is the PCB what I used for DATV RX. So this is the like this plain PCB we can get it from BATC, and this is the module, hardware module for USB port. This we have to assemble it with the mini tuner PCB, and this is the one is the tuner used in the mini tuner version 2 receiver PCB. So next this is another version of standalone receiver. This is 4 channels standalone receiver, that is BATC advanced receiver using Raspberry Pi 4 with the advanced receiver. This will receive simultaneously 4 channels on the QO-100 and other activities we can monitor. So another one, this is normal version 2 PCB. So we are going to use this for our one single band RX. So this is the detail about the mini tuner version 2 RX setup. This is the assembled one. This is all the details you can get it through the website, how to assemble it and also how to program everything. All the details are available on the BATC website. So this is the economical version of DATV receiver. We need this one first to receive the DATV, because that wideband transponder only showing the activities of the wideband spectrum, not the video. So we have to use our own RX setup for the receiver. This is another product called DATV Express Mini Tuner Express. So the Mini Tuner Express receiver hardware ready build available, that is from US, I think. So this is this we no need to any solder work, just simply buy the Mini Tuner Express and we can use it for the RX. No need to buy the components and assemble it. So here also you have to register yourself and have to order the hardware, Mini Tuner Express hardware. So this is the TX setup. I am going to find, yeah. So this is the Mini Tuner Express receiver for DATV. This can we get it ready to use. We can use the same software, and the RX software is both same, only the hardware difference. So this is ready to use one. So there is two hardwares available. One is mini tuner version 2 from BATC, and the other one is mini tuner express ready build available from US. So this is the website, you can get it. This all the details I shared you already. And another one, the receiver part, there is the RAID receiver that is announced from BATC. That hardware we need Raspberry Pi 4 and the mini IO bracket BCP. This we can receive like a satellite receiver. We can assemble it with this board, and all DATV we can receive with the Pi 4. So next, sorry. So this is the 4-channel receiver already I told. This one also using with the Raspberry Pi. This is the advanced receiver using 2 tuners, one Raspberry Pi, and the HDMI out we can monitor in our TV. So like that, this is the setup. So this is Raspberry Pi and 2 tuners. Totally we can receive 4 channels simultaneously. So this is the advanced BATC DATV receiver. There is many options, whatever the possibilities you have, you can buy the hardware and use it for the receiving. So it is very fantastic build I am making now. This one I am going to test it on the upcoming days, because last week only I received all the tuner and PCPs. So I added the other components. So I have to solder everything and test it later on. That I can share you my test reports in another session if possible. So this is the software part, and this all the details can available on the website. No need anyone help, just we have to buy the hardware parts and assemble it using. So this is the website Viva DATV. So here we can download the software called Minitune software for the DATV RX. So this is the website. We can download the software here, and we can use our Minituner Express or Minituner version 2 hardware to use the software for receive the DATV signals. So the hardware can support both satellite and also the other frequencies. Whenever you log in on the website, you can see what are the frequencies are supported. So here we can download all the softwares. It is all the softwares free of cost. Only the hardware we have to invest. So now I am going to tell you the TX part. So this is the TX. I am using the OBS Studio for my transmission. This is the test card what I loaded. So this is the test card I have to make, and in the scrolling, so and some audio I added for my signature tune. That must be non-copyrighted materials we have to use. And this description I added my details, what is the dish and what is the setup I am using. So that is the scrolling. Basically we have to make first the test card, and our details must be. So this is how to use the OBS Studio for the DATV transmission. So one by one I am going to give you a demo. The OBS Studio software also freeware, so you can download it freely on the internet. That the website already I shared you on my list. Only thing we have to study something that I can help you. If you interested people can ping me on my WhatsApp or any other groups. I can explain or I can help you people to how to set up. So this is the OBS Studio, and the settings just I played somewhere. So whatever you see, that is the setting must be added on the software side. So next, the encoding software. This is only for our video mixing and transmitting platform. Another platform, the encoder. So the encoder is this one. I am using the free stream encoder. This one also available on the BATC website, and this is the encoder I am using for H.265 my video. There is two type of videos there. This is my Pluto IP I entered here. There is two types of video we can play. I'll tell you one by one. First we have to find the Pluto. Maybe all you know about the Pluto hardware. So that Pluto hardware we have to modify to add the PTT and TCXO for using with the QO-100 for the stability. So this is the Pluto firmware inside menu. This we can access through the web page. This is my Pluto web page, and I changed that DATV operating now, and it's going to reboot. So this is the controller page I am going to open, because the Pluto now rebooting, that will take some time. After rebooting we have to you will see the same spectrum monitor here also, that is linked to the BATC website. So this is the Pluto setup, that is the power level. Right now I am using -5 with my 120 centimeter dish and my PA. This is the frequency I selected, default net frequency. So with this 333 kilo simple and QPSK and DVB-T2. This is the way we have to select the transmission. So this is the FEC rate 2/3. This is announced level, and the video must be 441 kilobytes, the transferring rate. So I managed that settings. So the same setting here. First I tell you where the Pluto IP we have to take. So after taking the IP, we have to type here my Pluto IP is this one. For demo I made this IP address and the port 8282. And also I am using the NVIDIA graphics card, so that is going to support for my H.265 video, that is more quality. This is the DVB-S2 mode and H.265. This is the SR rate and other settings what we did already on the Pluto page. So like this we have to set up that and start the transmission. Now the video transmission was started to the Pluto. Now we can see here analyzing the video. This is the analyzer on the Pluto web page. So we can analyze how much our video is there. It is almost 99% proper video analyzed now. So I am going to the controller page. This controller page I can check again how much see the normal. So now if it is the normal, the video is according to the settings, this is ready to transmit. So like this we have to check all the things, and now I am going to start the transmission. So when everything ready, the OBS already started and MPEG coder also started. Now the Pluto is ready to transmit. Yeah, now transmit started, and the same transmission available on the BATC also. This we can locally monitor. Our transmission already started. What is the timings it's going on? Just I stopped again, and I am going to transmit again, because of you you people can understand how the signal is come. And so the video is normal, and from Pluto the transmission started, and now again I stopped for the test. Now we have to first, before transmission, always we have to open that BATC web monitor. So that is the first procedure. So I start the transmission again, and we go now to see this is the transmission already started. This is my transmission here. So the same frequency also we can see on our locally. So there is two options in the spectrum monitor. Only we can monitor the transmission spectrum, not the video. The video we have to use that hardware what I told you already, the mini tuner version 2 or mini tuner express or RAID receiver or BATC 4-channel advanced receiver. So now again I am going to start my RX softwares. So that is called mini tuner. So this is the mini tune software, which is I am using for decoding the video. So this software must, and whenever we start the transmission, the default RX is the peak-on frequency, so that will automatically receive it here. See, this is the details, the program name alpha 71 alpha, and this will automatically start. Now I am going to transmit my transmission. So we are going to receive the same through web monitor, web SDR also, and also going to watch on the Minitune. Yeah, now I am using the Minitune version 2 hardware to receive the DATV. So this is the transmission right now I am making in the transponder. So this I am receiving my own RX. So this is my call sign and the video levels and the details about the signal strength, everything we can monitor. This must be monitor ourselves, because this is duplex. So whenever you are transmit, the same thing you have to monitor it also. So you can watch in the web spectrum and your Pluto page also, you can see the transmission is going on. So now all the things clear, I think. I'm going to stop the transmission and see after I stop the transmission, we are not receive anything. The tuner is automatically searching the other station, and now we get it on the BATC default beacon here. So very fast I made all the things because there is no time. Now I am going to show you myself. You can find my details on the QRZ page. In the QRZ page, I added all the hardware details, what is the necessary hardware needed for the DATV and SSB transmission. So now I am using the Porty antenna with a 120 centimeter dish, with my homebrewed amplifier with the Pluto. All the pictures you can find on my QRZ page. This is the Poti antenna. Right now I am using for QO-100 transmission, the LNB for RX. So next is the amplifier what I made for the QO-100. This amplifier I am using for DATV as well as SSB, narrowband and wideband both. We can use the Pluto also, wideband and narrowband also. This is the smaller amplifier, the 4 watt for the SSB only. This we can't use in the DATV. So all the features there. This is my up converter for SSB transmission on the QO-100, and in the details already there, the features. I am the first one using OCX to the frequency stability, and this one for transmitter. Without computer we can receive and transmit with the radio of the SSB, not DATV. So SSB, this is the transmitter what I made for the QO-100. So this is a smaller size, and this is the receiving setup for with my 7300. This is the lower pecan of the transponder. There is middle pecan and upper pecan, all in one window. We can choose the frequency and start transmission. That is called transmitter. This is I made the Pottstown DATV system with the Raspberry Pi. This is the important thing. We come here. This is the Pluto. This is the modification. We need all the Plutos for triggering the PTT and metal enclosure also if need, and the grounding mode of the Pluto. The Pluto must be added with the TCXO, and all the detailed website also shared in my QRZ page also. This when I started my first DATV transmission on the QO-100. So this is the dish I used. Now I changed 120 centimeter. This is the 100 centimeter dish, and behind is 90 centimeter. The 90 centimeter only I use for RX. The 100 centimeter I am using TX and RX both. So this is the hardware setup we need for the QO-100, and now time to close my session because many phone calls, and so just I am going to stop here now, and I am going to top of the page first. Yeah. Yeah, this is my QRZ web page details. So you can find me on the QRZ, and if any doubt you can ping me on my WhatsApp also, or send by mail. I can help you people and come on the QO-100 with SSB and as well as DATV also. So I am going to close my session now. I thank Pune Amateur Radio Club, VU2 RCP for the opportunity to joining with you all peoples, and also I my special thanks to VU2 VPR Villas. So 73 is all of you. See you again. Namaste from Tamil Nadu. Bye bye.